guys, welcome to our channel. Reet's not here today, so I'm doing this myself. I'm going to show you how to make popsicles at home. And my favorite flavor is oranges. Let's start. First, I'm going to show you what we need. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oranges. We need that. We need the orange juicer and we need popsicle sticks. First, we're gonna cut these oranges into half so we can make the juice. Oranges are ready to make the juice. Look, so yummy. Okay guys, now we're gonna make the juice. As you can see, the juice is ready. Now we're gonna strain it in these. Well, I know they're gonna be small popsicles like these. We're gonna use this to strain it like this. See? Guys, now you can see we've made our juice into here. Now we're gonna pour it into here. Now let's start pouring in. Okay now, guys, let's pour. Good things about these popsicles is they're made at home, no sugar, and they're nice and healthy. Yummy. So they're ready to go in the freezer. Let's go. We'll need this. I have to carry this really carefully. Wonder where I'm going to put this. Put this here. Okay, here we go. That's a little bit juicy. See you tomorrow when the popsicles are ready. Bye! Good morning, guys. Now the popsicles are ready, so let's go. Did someone say popsicles? Yeah, let's do that. Yay! Get the popsicles. I'll take it out because I baked it. Whatever. Oi. They're frozen. Mom! Guys, so you might want to dip them into water so it'll be easier to get them out. And now it's time to get them. Oi. I don't want to. Look at this. Delicious. Don't forget to make it at home and bye! Let's go and eat these outside.